Hi, welcome to Maru's Projectors and Screens Wholesale. We deal all kind of projector screens, wall mount tripod, map screens, 84-inch, 100, 120 and 150. All projector screens available at wholesale prices. We have delivery service all over India. In Hyderabad, 1 hour delivery service available, and also we have 1 day delivery service to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It's all imported screens with high thickness and high gain. This is 100-inch wall mount screen. This is the thickness of the screen. This is high thickness PVC material, and install lock auto lock screens. And you can also install lock service available in this auto lock service. And these are imported screens with high gain, high thickness, waterproof, 3D 4K supported screens. And purchase of every screen you will get one 3D glasses. These are 3D glass. Local screens, and this is the foldings you will get. This is rubber material. It's a low price. You will get these screens in online. This is a rubber material, low thickness, low gain. Projector, tripod screens, tripod stands, floor tripod stands with high weight and a high gauge, adjustable with safety belts. We have all kind of HDMI and VGA cables, power cables at wholesale prices. You can WhatsApp to our number and you can see the demo video of screens and projectors also.